Hey, what's up people, this is Vijay here, back again with another video. So in this video I will show you guys how to install Java JDK onto your Windows PC. So let's begin with this video. Devil in disguise. So this is a two-part type video. First part I will show you how to install the JDK or the Java, and second part I will show you how to install an IDE, that is NetBeans or Eclipse. So first we need to head up to java.oracle.com. This site, you can see it is a deep down search onto the Oracle website, and here onto the top downloads you can find Java SE. So click on that Java SE, that will bring up to you to the download section. So here you can get Java SE downloads. You can get the Java SE, that is the 12.0.2. It is the latest version of Java SE platform, and the second one is LTS one 11.0.4, and the third one is 8 updated version 221. This is the Java 8 version, so we'll use the latest one, Java 12. So we will just click on here, just Java JDK. Don't need to download the JRE. The JDK contains the JRE, everything all in it. So just click on download, and here you can see Java SE Kit 12 downloads. So this will take 2 steps. Just first click on accept, and then just go here, choose your version. It can be installed on Linux, Mac OS and Windows. Choose a version which one you want to download. There is x64, that is the 64-bit version, or x86. That is not available here because x86 is almost dead, and it is the 32-bit version. If you are using 32-bit version, just go for Java 8, and if you want to download the latest one, Java 12, you need to have a 64-bit version. So how can you check your Windows version, which one you are using? Just go to your this PC, click on properties, right click, and here you can see the system type. It is 64-bit or x64 based processor. So I will download this 64-bit Java. Here I will download the exe file. You can also download the zip file. Then you need to extract it just here, and then click on save where you want to download and save it. So it is downloading. Here you can see it is of a 159 MB size. It will not take much time to download. It depends upon your internet speed. So let's wait for a while. Okay, so finally the download is done. It is completed. Now just double click on it, and it will ask for permission. Give you allow it, yes. And then here is Oracle Java installation wizard. Then click on next, and installation file destination is C drive. Okay, click on next and let it install. It doesn't take that much time. Always remember, just to install any Java IDE like NetBeans or Eclipse, you need to have Java JDK installed, that is the Java development kit. So now it is done, just close it, and then now the next step is we need to set up our environment variables. So how to get the environment variables? First go to this PC, then on your C drive, program files, Java JDK 12.0.2, bin folder, and here you can see all your Java files are present here. Let me show you. Here you can see jar, javac, java c version. So let's we need to copy this URL. Just select this one and control C, then let us minimize it, and then head up to your control panel. So control panel, here it is, and on the search bar you write envi. It is the edit system environment. So here you can see your system, and then on the second option click edit the system environment variables. Click on it, then here you can see environment variables. Click on it, and then here you need to find a path like this one. Here you can see the option path. Just click on edit option, click on new, and here you just paste that one. So it is pasted. So now click on OK, OK, and then OK. Now Java is installed on your computer. So how to check it? First we can check it from here. You can see Java development kit is here folder. Also you need to then open your cmd command prompt, and here you can check your Java version. So write Java space underscore and hyphen version, and then press on enter, and here you can see the Java is installed. It is 12.0.2 and Java SE runtime environment. Here you can also get your build number. So okay, and then we need to type Java C, and then press enter. Here you can see all the versions, release code and everything else, the processor class 1, class 2, everything is installed. So Java is now completely installed onto our computer, and the next step is we need to install an IDE to run Java. So see you back on the next video. Hope you like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you up later. And on a side note, I will show you both NetBeans and Eclipse installation, so stay tuned, and soon 2 videos will be uploaded. So that's it in this video. Bye bye, see you in the next one. Peace.